On the day that criminal Kurakwashe Tagwirei's son was married, an event that drew the cream of Zambia's political and business establishment, General Constantine Chiwenga and the Reserve Bank Governor John Mushavan were not in that marquee. Salabina Mashkobra Kopangwa in a Ashtagwa retired Lieutenant General Winston Stogema Pranga. Ajit VP Constantine Chiwenga did not attend our This is Canada event. Don't go subscribe or I got on the bell icon. And Banko ni just that VP Constantine Chiwenga avasi kuchika kana ani zvake kana kuvhunduka is unbothered. They were at Chiwenga's farm in Goromonzi. Some will call this coincidence. I call it a coordinate report. In military intelligence, we were taught that absence is never neutral. When a man is tells you something, when a man is not tells you something. Criminal Tagwirei's wedding was not merely a family celebration, it was a demonstration of political gravity, a gathering designed to show who obeys whom. When the Vice President of the Republic and the Governor of the Reserve Bank are absent from that orbit, one of two things has happened. Either they were not invited or they chose the farm. Both conclusions are extraordinary. If they were not invited, then the cartel has grown old enough to exclude the second most powerful constitutional office in Zimbabwe from its social architecture. That is not just a snub, that is a power map. If they chose the farm, then General Chiwenga is assembling something deliberately away from the noise, away from campaign, away from the cameras, a productive farm, quiet land, trusted company in Ngoromonzi. Chiwenga's farm is not just a farm. Under General Chiwenga's family dictatorship, it is a statement of self-sufficiency of a man who has decided he does not need criminal Tagwirei stable to eat. I have watched this theater for decades. I know that it looks like when men are drawing lines, the lines are being drawn. Toma developments are in the comment section. Videos of able to leave answer which to subscribe or like, on the bell icon.